superpower. I don't even see I don't see what's called. Hey, I need to go get my drink for they close, y'all. I'm gonna be mad they close. I don't get my drink. What's up, Sergio? Getting it dialed in? Dialing it in some more? YouTube feed. Cause when I be doing my YouTube channel, I don't even be getting no likes. So they don't never refer my channel out like I need them to, man. My Twitchers, they more helpful. I got Twisted Soul over here. Team Thundercock in the building. Hey, Twisted Soul, what's that? You got the moderation sign, the first sign, and what's that next one that look like a little pretzel? Looking good. Yeah. All right. It says, I don't know what year this is. Damn. No Limit Racing. Okay. What else I was gonna tell y'all? Tomorrow be, I gotta drive 2 hours away. I really need to be going home getting some sleep. Yeah, hey, oh, well, I guess it's like they last little live. Train. Do a hype train cost, and what is that? Look out, what's going on? How you doing? You ready to advertise?
What'd you say?
You ready to advertise?
I don't know what you're saying.
I said, you ready to
advertise?
Yeah, what you advertising?
I'm famous.
Oh, okay.
Photographer.
Oh, you be taking good pictures?
I mean, I think so.
Where you be posting them at?
IG.
IG?
Yeah, I'm in the process of working on like my website and all that.
Oh, okay.
Motta Photography, M-O-T-T-A Photography.
Okay, M-O-T-T-A Photography. Okay, they gonna look it up. I got people on here that be looking it up. They probably already on it.
For sure.
Got Team Thundercock. He said he checking it out right now.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, he checking. Yeah, it's live. Look, Team Thundercock. He on it.
Oh, nice.
They on that.
That's live on what?
I'm on Twitch right now.
Oh, Twitch.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube though.
Oh, okay, got you.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
Hell yeah.
Oh, look out, Racing.
Look out racing, look out, look out.
Oh, good. I'll look that up.
Tell him your saying.
M.O.T.T.
Tell him your saying.
Tell your uncle, tell your friend, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Got you,
I got all of them. I'm telling
Make
everybody.
sure he subscribes to me.
Yeah. I need your uncle that don't know how to work his phone that good.
You already
Get
got
him
a
on there
YouTube
too. Yeah. That's where I'm based from, YouTube.
page? What's the channel name?
Lookout Racing. Lookout.
The racetrack. Before you go.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Okay, she on there, y'all. She done subscribed. Lookout Racing.
So, you got the drone.
Yeah, I be flying the drone sometime. When I feel good, they ain't been making me feel good lately.
Oh, and this thing hold it steady, huh?
Yeah.